Welcome to the Neill Gorton Prosthetic Studio's online courses. Inside this website, you'll find a wealth of information presented clearly and concisely across many hours worth of detailed video tutorials, in which I share my skills and techniques developed across a career spanning over 30 years and working on hundreds of film and TV productions as a prosthetic makeup designer and creature creator. I've also been a teacher, delivering hands-on courses for nearly 20 years now. In that time, I've taught hundreds of students, and many of them have gone on to have terrific careers in the entertainment industries, often working on blockbuster film and TV productions. So why then create online courses? Well, demand is one reason. I frequently receive requests to teach in other countries because it's often difficult for people interested in my courses to come to the UK. Even if they could, we're often booked up a year in advance. So an online school that can be accessed from anywhere in the world and at times that suit you seems like a great way to make my teaching accessible to anyone interested in learning. In our first year of operation, while we grow and develop the content, we're doing a special discounted price for early adopter subscriptions, which will run until December 2020. So I hope you'll join us and come along for the ride as we develop and grow this exciting learning project.